What's good, guys? Welcome to day, I believe, number 7. Hold on. Of course. Give me a second. I'm getting a phone call. All right, back to business. Anyways, welcome to day, I believe it is day 7. Yup. Okay, day 7. I've been pretty consistent with uploading every single day. Again, that's not going to be like super promise that it's going to happen every single day, just so we can have longevity with this series. But we're doing good so far. Anyways, I was literally just sitting here thinking about, man, where do I go next? I've talked about just where our mind needs to be in order to be a successful trader. And then I kind of started the introduction with candlestick charts, talked about time frames, talked about a little bit about market structure, highs, lows, trends. And for me, the next thing would be break of structure, because that we can start using. What we've learned from before, candlesticks, highs, lows, and trends, and apply it on the charts. But I kind of want to just sit down and talk to you guys for this one and like give you guys a little breather from over analysis. Wow, I could literally look like an emo lesbian like this. So why do good girls like bad guys? All right. Focus. Okay, so what I want to talk to you guys about today, outside of break of structure, we'll do that tomorrow. I want to talk about how trading can be really easy if you just simplify it. And I know I talked about that a little bit in the videos at the very beginning of this whole thing, but I'm just going to continuously hammer home the mindset that you have to be in when you get into trading, and the things that you have to be doing when you're getting into trading, and the things that you should not be doing. Okay, because again, successful people, it's not necessarily what they do that makes them successful, it's what they don't do that makes them successful. So today's just kind of going to be a refresher, and we're going to have a lot of these days throughout the channel just because I think it's going to be extremely necessary, because I've even seen it within my mastermind where like I did pretty much similar thing. Grilled them for like the first week, everything, psychology, just rewire their brain. And they were like, boom, we got it. And I was super hyped. I was like, awesome, y'all are going to kill it. And then I start laying out the tools. I say like, look, here's candlesticks, or they already know candlesticks, but like here's break of structure, here's liquidity, here's fair value gaps, here's order blocks. And after all that, I start seeing in the chat, and it's like they're doing everything that they're not supposed to be doing. They're taking too many trades a day. They're over risking. They're over leveraged. Like, they're just fucking up. And I'm just sitting there like, bruh, what did we even talk about for the first week then? It's almost like I need to do a psychology mastermind where it's just like a full month, where if you like already know a strategy that works for you, like let me just grill you for a full month until you get that shit through your head. So, periodically, throughout this, I think we're going to have to keep putting in these little reminders or these little days where I just, boom, go back over. Look, this is how easy trading can be. Don't overthink. Don't overcomplicate. And let's lay out what we shouldn't be doing and what we should be doing. Okay, so I'm kind of going to put you guys onto the charts here. And we're just going to make a little text box. Okay, talk this one out. Let's see. Bet. So we're going to make a little box talking about what we should not be doing. Okay, and this is going to apply to life. And this is going to apply to trading. And if you can't apply it to your life, you'll never be able to apply it to trading, because that's just how this shit works. If you're undisciplined in one area, you're going to be undisciplined in every other area. It's just how life works. If you fold in one area, you're going to fold all over again. Okay? So I want you guys to kind of do this along with me, or write this down with me. I'll give you guys time to pull out your notebooks, pull out a pen and paper. And you guys should be doing this, honestly, like every single day until you get it through your head and until your subconscious is like, just knows exactly what to do. Literally just write this shit out every single day. Okay? So number one, even though we haven't got there yet, or first of all, let's just talk about what this is. Whoa. So your trading mindset shift. Can't type at all today. This is going to be your trading mindset shift. Okay, and what we have to know and what we have to understand about changing how we trade is we have to do pretty much everything that you guys are not, we have to stop doing everything that you guys are currently doing right now. Okay? So if we think about it, what are you guys currently doing right now that's causing you guys to be unsuccessful within the market? Okay? Whoa. Come on, man. Come on, man. I don't want this. Okay, whatever. I'll put this here. Okay. So number one, I honestly don't even want to write what you guys should be doing. I would honestly rather write what you guys should not be doing. Because when we go into like, oh, I shouldn't do this, it's like, or no. Sorry, I take that back. Let's just write out what unprofitable traders do in the first place. We'll set this to the side. Unprofitable mindset. Okay, so let's start off on this one. Several strategies. A lot of you guys are trading multiple different strategies every single day. You'll take one trade with TJR's strategy. The next trade, you'll watch a YouTube video on Mamba FX's 5-minute strategy. You'll take that one. The next trade, you'll take Lambo Raoul's strategy. You guys have like 20 different strategies that you're trying to work at all together. And you're never going to be successful doing that in trading. You know why? You're stretching yourself thin. It's like saying, hey, I'm going to try this one, all at the same time. And you're going to suck at all of them, all at the same time. And you'll never get better at all of them at the same time because you're trying to do them all at the same time. So if you want to get good at a skill or get good at a strategy, you have to have one single one. So unprofitable mindset, number one, a lot of you guys have several different strategies. Along with that, a lot of you guys have several mentors. Choose one. You have to choose one. A lot of you guys watch my videos. A lot of you guys watch ICT videos. A lot of you guys watch, other people's videos. I don't care who you watch. Even if this means you guys stop watching me, again, think back to day one. All I want is for you guys to turn into profitable traders. I'm fine with you just saying, look, TJR, I fuck with you, but this guy's strategy works better for me. Awesome. We'll dap up. I did my job. I did what I needed to do. You can step out here and then boom. Okay? Just have one mentor. Because again, with several strategies, I teach certain confluences a different way. Your other mentors have different strategies. Your other mentors, sorry about Boogie. Your other mentors trade differently than me, and they teach things differently than me. If you guys want to be successful in trading, you need one single mentor, and you need one single strategy, because it's the same thing. You're stretching yourself too thin. If you learn trading from me, you learn trading from Raul, you learn trading from ICT, you learn trading from somebody else. Again, it's like input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4, and all of them are just little trickles instead of just one, boom, full power faucet. So have one strategy, have one mentor. Moving forward. You guys overthink and you guys overcomplicate trading way too much, bro. Way too much. You guys get into trading and think you need to be able to solve the fucking, like, the cure for cancer in order to be able to be successful in trading. It's not the case. Simplicity is better within trading. Guess what? I taught my mentorship students. Okay, and I'm going to keep bringing them up because these people are going to be killers after this shit. And I taught them, I said, look, I'm going to give you guys a strategy. You won't be able to take a trade every day. You probably won't be able to find a trade every single day. But I guarantee you, if you stick to these rules 100% of the time, stay disciplined, don't over risk, and obviously don't over trade because you're sticking to the strategy, you will be profitable straight out of this. Because I gave it to them so simply. It's literally step 1, step 2, understand what you're looking for. Step 3, step 4, execute. And it's like I gave them literally one, it's just a checklist. And then it's execute, hands off. And I guarantee you they will be profitable if they follow that checklist. The problem with a lot of you guys with trading is you guys are looking at 20 different time frames. You guys are looking at 30 different confluences. You guys are having 10 different strategies in your head, and you have 3 different mentors giving you their daily bias for the day. We need to stop that. My mentorship students, they're only looking at 4 time frames, and it's 3 confluences off of those 4 time frames. It's as easy as that. You don't need to be looking at some bro, trust me, right now, another basketball analogy for you guys. When you guys are looking into these advanced ass concepts, which is one of the reasons why I'm not necessarily a huge fan of these people who are teaching 30-year plus complicated ass concepts to people who are just trying to get into trading today. You're 1, giving them the opportunity to overtrade, and 2, giving them the opportunity to overcomplicate the fuck and overthink everything. If you guys just keep it simple and just say look, I understand that right now my strategy is simple, but I know I'll be successful with it. Just do that, right? If you just learned how to play basketball and you know for a fact you'll make that layup every single time, wide open layup, that's the only shot that you know you can hit, that you know you're successful with. And then the coach puts you in the game, and then you try and hit a behind the back 360 reverse layup. You're obviously going to miss. You're obviously going to be unsuccessful. Versus if you have that open layup and you just shoot the ball, you're probably going to make it. You have a much higher probability of making it with a simple shot compared to just as a 2-month in basketball player. You guys have to think about it like that. You guys are literally several months into trading. Barely even into this shit. And you guys are trying to do shit that people who have been in the market for 30 plus years, I'm not going to name any names, but there's somebody in here on YouTube that is doing this to you guys. And he's teaching you guys shit that he understands because he has 30 plus years in the market, but you guys have no fucking clue what he's talking about. And you guys think you know what he's talking about. It's like LeBron being yo, peep this super advanced fucking basketball move, and you're 2 months into trading, or 2 months into basketball, and you barely know how to dribble with your right and your left hand. You're never going to be able to make that shot. Ever. Until time catches up with it. Once you have time, that's okay. You'll be able to get there. But for now, let's focus on the easy shit. And trust me, with the easy shit, we'll be successful. So let's make it easy first and be successful with the easy shit. So stop overthinking and stop overcomplicating. Keep it, y'all know the saying, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Okay? That's what I need you guys to do. So you guys have several different strategies, several mentors, and you guys overthink and overcomplicate. You know what else you guys do? You try and get rich quick. You need to understand that this is a skill, and this is going to take a long time to be successful in, and it's going to take a long time to get rich in it. Right now, you guys have super low starting capital. Okay, funded accounts can help with that, but you also don't know how to trade yet. So one, you should not be trading on a live account right now. Okay, why would a coach, if a coach sees, hey man, you're 2 months into playing basketball, you've never played in a game before, we don't know if you're going to be good. Matter of fact, come join the NBA, you're going to be starting. That's pretty much what you guys are doing by jumping into a live account and putting like $5,000 on the line. You're going to get eaten alive by this market. You have no experience. You have no clue what you're doing yet. Bro, get on demo and get some reps in first. Play in games that don't fucking matter before you go into the fucking playoffs and in the NBA championship. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You guys make it up in your head that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. You guys think you're going to get rich quick by doing this. It's not the case. You will never get rich quick doing something. I will tell you, if you follow all my rules, all of my steps that I'm going to give you guys throughout this trading transformation, you will be able to make money quicker than other professions where you have to clock in, clock out, climb up the corporate ladder. But you guys have to understand it's not going to happen in a month. You're not going to make 100K a month in a single year. You probably won't even make 100K in a single year after like 2 or 3 years of trading. But again, eventually you will be able to get to that point. It's just not as quick as you dream it up to be. Okay? Moving forward, what else do you guys do? Let me think. What else do horrible traders do? You guys have a bunch of different strategies. You have a bunch of different mentors. You guys overthink everything and you overcomplicate everything. You really do think you have to be fucking Einstein to solve this shit. You really don't. It's like literally if you guys keep it as simple as possible, bro, you'll be able to be profitable. You won't be able to take a trade every day, but that doesn't matter, right? If the shot's not there and you only know that you're going to be successful on that simple ass shot, just don't take it. It's as simple as that. Just know your time is coming. Okay, might as well just take the successful shot so we can get better right now. You guys think you're going to get rich quick? It's not the case. What else do you guys do? Moving on from the get rich quick, you guys give up way too quick. Because when you don't get rich quick, you give up and you move on to the next get rich quick scheme. What you guys put in your head that's going to get you guys rich quick. You guys think it's going to be drop shipping. You guys think it's going to be Amazon FBA. You guys think it's going to be growth operating. You guys think it's going to be a bunch of this shit. All of those, it's the same process. Same shit. You got to work hard for a long time, get good at the simple shit, then advance to the advanced shit, and then boom, eventually you'll get there over the course of a long ass time. So you guys get into trading and you're like, oh, I can't wait to make a bunch of money. You have all these different strategies. You try for like one day on each of the strategies. You fail consistently. And then after 2 months, you say, I didn't make 100K, I'm out of here. If that's your mindset, get the fuck lost. You'll never make money ever in your entire life. Swear. You'll make money, but not the way that you want. You'll never make a lot of money. All you guys have probably the shortest attention span ever in the entire world. Wow. Attention span. You guys have short attention spans. You guys think this one little plugin is going to change your life, and it's not. You guys need to think long term. And we talked about this in these earlier videos, where if you guys can think long term, 5 years down the line, I know that sounds like a long time, but think about how old you are right now. 5 years isn't that far down the line compared to how much more life you have to live after that. Right? If you're under 20 and you're watching this video, bro, you are, even if you're above 20, 25, 30, everything after that, you have this skill that is life-changing now. We need to understand that skills are life-changing. And we also have to understand that skills take a long time to learn, and we have to have that long-term vision. It probably won't even be 5 years. It'll probably be a little bit less than that. But you guys have to kick that little fucking short dopamine, fucking short attention span to the curb, bro. You gotta kick that shit out. Because if you don't, you're not gonna make it in entrepreneurship, in business and trading. Because in order to be successful in these, you have to have a long-term vision. So kick your short attention span to the curb, whether that means you take away TikTok, whether that means you take away social media, whatever it may be, you guys need to take it away. And then last but not least, what the hell? You guys overlearn. What I'm going to teach you guys in this trading transformation series, we're going to start you guys off at the very beginning. A lot of you guys are going to be dipshits. Remember, I want you guys to throw away everything that you think you know about trading before coming into here. Okay? A lot of you guys are going to learn shit and then be like, immediately jump ahead, bro, and I'm gonna fucking knock you out, bro. It drives me fucking nuts. I teach you guys a concept, and then instantly it's like, boom, let me apply this with some shit that I learned from somebody else in my other strategy. Happened in my mentorship literally the other day. I teach them the step-by-step 4-time frame strategy on how they can be successful, and we get into the call, and I'm like, all right, everyone share the trades that they took. We're going to go over them. I'm going to critique them, this and that. People are taking trades off of 1 minute liquidity sweeps, off of, like, bro, we weren't even supposed to go on the 1 minute time frame. People were talking about, I went on the weekly. Bro, did you not even fucking listen? Keep it fucking simple. There's a point of diminishing returns with overlearning. You guys try and overlearn and under practice. Wow, that was hard. All you guys do is overlearn and under practice, bro. And it drives me fucking nuts. You guys think the cure to your unprofitability is going to be watching another ICT or TJR YouTube video. Eventually, you know everything that you need to know about it, and you just have to get to fucking work and practice it. I know YouTube videos aren't entertaining, but guess what? They're doing no fucking good for you at all in terms of your trading journey, in terms of your success. Okay, you just have to get into the charts and practice what you've already learned, the simple shit. You guys literally get in and then you start learning like 20 different concepts, and then you're like, bet, I'm ready to apply all of them. No, bro, let me just give you 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece. Okay, we apply all these. We learn how to do our layups, our easy shit, our easy little jumpers. We get really good at those. Bet. Again, this trading transformation series, this is my entire YouTube channel from here on out. There's going to be more advanced stuff down the line. Bear with me, bro. I'm trying to teach you guys the right way. But first, we have to learn the simple shit. We have to get insanely good at the simple shit. Then we add more concepts. Boom, something else. Boom, we're in. Something else. Boom, we get really good at that something else. We just keep adding little pieces and we keep upgrading. But right now, you guys don't know shit. You're unprofitable. Admit that you're unprofitable. All you guys think you're hot shot, fucking best traders in the world. You guys don't make shit from the market. Get real with yourself. Start with the simple shit. You guys literally are not profitable. You guys can't even get the simple shit done yet. That says a lot about you. You guys literally are not successful making a fucking layup, and you guys are trying to hit a half court shot currently. Let's start on the easy shit. All right. So now, what does that mean for a profitable trading mindset? You have one strategy. You have one mentor. Again, I don't give a fuck if it's me, somebody else, it doesn't matter. Choose one singular person, and I know for a fact you guys aren't going to listen to me, and it's going to drive me fucking crazy because I'm trying to help you guys with this shit. I'm literally saying if my shit doesn't work for you, go to somebody else. You guys have to understand that this is for you. Understand that every single one of these videos, listen to what I'm saying, because I know for a fact you guys aren't going to listen, and it drives, and I'm thinking about it right now and it's pissing me off because I genuinely want what's best for you guys, and some of you guys just have fucking no brains, bro, and it makes me want to, let me help you. Have one strategy, have one mentor. Simplify everything. Get rich in a long period of time. Stay strong for a long time. Long time frame. Bro, come on. These people are fucking yelling outside. Give me a second. Long time frame mindset. 7. Over practice and learn one step at a time. Okay? I need you guys to have one strategy, one single mentor, simplify everything, make everything as simple as possible. Understand that if you guys can do this, you guys will get rich in a long period of time, not quick. You guys will genuinely make money over a long course of time. Be consistent with this for a long period of time. You have to have, again, look at the majority of this stuff. It's all simplicity and long-term mindset. It can literally be boiled down to those two things. Keep it simple and understand that it's going to take a long time to be able to do this, and you have to be okay with that. Stay strong for a long period of time. Be consistent for a long period of time. Think in years, not days. In decades, not months. And over practice and learn one step at a time. Don't go in and learn 5 different confluences and then try and apply all of them at once. You're going to suck dick at all of them. Get into the market. Learn step 1. Just like how we've been doing on here. I'm giving you guys one piece at a time. And then I'm giving you guys homework. Look, spot these pieces. Oh, we're good at that? Boom, perfect, checked off the box. Now we can add something else. It's literally it's been under a week, boys, and we already know a decent amount about trading now. We have to over practice and learn one step at a time. Not learn 5 steps and then practice it once and then give up. Practice for weeks, get insanely good at it, and then move to the next step. And that is how you guys are going to be successful in trading. Write all this shit down. Reread it every fucking day. Do whatever it takes. This is it, bro. This will turn you profitable. Period, bro. This is it. Okay? And I hope you guys understand that. I'm going to check up on this all the time with you guys. All right? And until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one where we can start adding break of structure. And then we're going to over practice the fuck out of it. And then we can add another step. Okay? I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.